Living near the coast has countless advantages: refreshing sea breezes, beautiful views, and a peaceful atmosphere. But for many coastal homeowners, the same ocean air that makes coastal living so enjoyable also brings a constant challenge: humidity and moisture. Over time, salty air, high humidity, and changing temperatures can cause your home's windows to deteriorate, allowing moisture to sneak in where it doesn't belong. The result? Foggy glass, mold growth, peeling paint, and even structural damage. Fortunately, replacing old or worn-out windows can dramatically reduce humidity problems and protect your home for years to come. Here's how new windows help you keep moisture under control while maintaining comfort, beauty, and value in your coastal home. Airtight seals prevent moisture intrusion. The number one way window replacement helps control humidity is by providing airtight seals. Older windows often develop tiny gaps between the glass, frame, and wall due to years of exposure to salt air, humidity, and shifting temperatures. These gaps allow moist air to seep inside your home. Modern replacement windows are designed with precision-engineered frames and high-quality weather stripping that create a tight seal between your interior and the outdoors. Professional installers ensure every seam is properly insulated and caulked, blocking humid air and preventing moisture from entering through cracks. With new windows, your home stays drier, reducing the risk of mold and mildew that thrive in damp conditions. Double and triple pane glass improves insulation. Another way replacement windows reduce moisture is through advanced glass technology. Single pane windows, common in older coastal homes, offer little protection against humidity and temperature fluctuations. This can lead to condensation buildup, that foggy look you often see between panes or along the interior surface. Modern double and triple pane windows are filled with insulating gases such as argon or krypton that help stabilize indoor temperatures. When the glass stays closer to room temperature, condensation doesn't form as easily. Additionally, these windows often include low emissivity coatings, which reduce heat transfer and help maintain consistent indoor humidity levels, a big advantage in coastal climates. Moisture-resistant frame materials for coastal durability. Traditional wood window frames can absorb moisture from the salty coastal air, leading to swelling, warping, and rot. Once that happens, air and water can easily enter your home, worsening humidity problems. Today's window replacement options feature materials specifically engineered for coastal conditions, such as vinyl, naturally moisture-resistant, affordable, and low maintenance. Fiberglass, extremely durable and stable, even under fluctuating temperatures. Aluminum-clad frames, strong and corrosion-resistant with a modern look. These materials not only prevent water absorption but also resist corrosion and warping caused by salt and humidity, ensuring your windows last longer and perform better in coastal environments. Reducing indoor humidity for healthier living. When moisture seeps indoors, it can affect more than just your windows. High indoor humidity can damage drywall, flooring, and furniture, and even create ideal conditions for allergens and mold growth. By replacing leaky windows, you help regulate your home's interior environment. The airtight seals and improved insulation of new windows keep humid air outside, allowing your HVAC system or dehumidifier to work more efficiently. As a result, you'll enjoy cleaner air, fewer allergens, and a healthier living space, especially important for families with allergies or respiratory sensitivities. Protecting your home's structure and value. Unchecked moisture doesn't just make your home uncomfortable, it can lead to costly repairs. Persistent humidity can deteriorate wood framing, damage paint, and even weaken structural components over time. Window replacement serves as a long-term safeguard against these issues. By keeping excess moisture out, your home stays in better condition and maintains its value. Additionally, new, energy-efficient windows enhance curb appeal and make your property more attractive to future buyers, a valuable benefit in competitive coastal markets. Professional installation makes the difference. Even the most advanced windows won't protect your home if they're installed incorrectly. Professional window installation ensures that your new windows are sealed properly and designed to handle the challenges of coastal living. Experts understand how to account for wind exposure, humidity, and salt air when installing windows, ensuring maximum protection and performance. Final thoughts for homeowners in coastal areas: window replacement isn't just about improving aesthetics. It's about creating a healthier, drier, and more comfortable home. Modern, moisture-resistant windows help block humidity, prevent mold growth, and protect your property from long-term damage. Whether you're dealing with foggy glass, drafts, or persistent indoor dampness, upgrading to professionally installed, energy-efficient windows is the best step toward keeping your coastal home beautiful, comfortable, and protected for years to come.